While modern Boeing aircraft 777, 787, 747, 8 incorporate advanced FBW, their design retains the philosophy of direct pilot authority. Even with FBW in the 777 and 787, the system is designed to mimic the feel of mechanical controls. The pilot uses a traditional control column yoke that provides tactile feedback, pilot intuition and control. Boeing emphasizes that the pilot should always be able to directly command the control surfaces. While automation is extensive, the pilot can always overpower it. There are no hard envelope protections in the same sense as Airbus. Instead, warnings and cues guide the pilot, but the pilot ultimately decides. The 737 MAX's maneuvering characteristics augmentation system, MCAS, intended to assist with stall protection, represented a departure from this direct control philosophy and highlighted the complexities of blending automation with traditional design.